Back in Cape Town at One-to-One Mining Investment. Dev, thank you very much for giving us a couple of moments of your time.
Thank you.
Tell us, first of all, a little high-level introduction to Fura Gems.
So Fura Gems is a TSX V-listed company. We started the business in Jan 2017, so we're just like 2 years old now. Over the period of 2 years, we now have 2 portfolio assets. We have got an emerald mine in Colombia, which is up and running, operational. We are mining emeralds there. And in Mozambique, we are mining rubies. So as of now, where we stand after 2 years, the Colombian emerald mine is completely resource compliant, 43101 resource compliant. 30 years life of mine, 6 million carats on the ground over the period of 30 years with the potential to take it up to 145 million carats. So it's looking quite good and more exciting than what we initially thought. June 2019 is when we start selling our emeralds, and we plan to sell 2 auctions from Colombian emeralds mine, taking up to 3 for next year. And this year for rubies, we are starting production mining from March 2019 with potentially having an auction around October 2019.
Okay, so it sounds like quite a lot of activity will be going on in 2019 to prove out the sales of the, gems that are being produced.
Absolutely.
So the priority, and talk us a little bit about the potential for expansion sort of over the longer term maybe.
Yeah, I think the plan right now is to get the sales out, start construction of the underground decline in Colombia, number 1. That's our number 1 focus. The construction of the decline we plan to start from July 2019, and that will help us to upscale the production 10,000 tons annually right now, which is to going up to 105,000 tons, which is basically is going to happen from July 2019. So it's like 4 months from now, which will increase the capacity of the mine significantly and hit the rate of 300 to 400,000 carats annually, which is what we are trying to achieve. We believe we should be achieving that by end of 2019, full capacity. As far as Mozambique is concerned, we are trying to build up the operation and upscale the production from July 2019 with the potentially increasing the annualized capacity of the plant going up to 3 million annualized carats and going up to 2020 to up to 5 million carats.
So very clear plans and ambitions for the company. Of course, this isn't your first venture in gemstones. You've got a bit of history, but do you want to tell us about the other places you've been involved in?
Absolutely. Like, the whole management team of Fura, we were all ex-Gemfields. Between myself, Ashim Roy, the head, the vice president of operation, Rupak, the vice president, marketing and sales, we all come from Gemfields. We have built the world's single largest emerald mine in Zambia before, and we have built the world's single largest ruby mine in Mozambique before. So we have produced more than 100 million carats, and we have sold more than 650 million carats. So we really understand this space. So we have taken our strength from the past and put all our experience into Fura, and our focus still remains the mine and market story. We are going to mine rough, and we are going to sell rough. So we are going to put all our experience into Fura, and that is what we are planning to do.
Fantastic. And you've had plenty of meetings, I know, here at One-to-One. Have you found the conference overall?
Oh, brilliant. I love this conference. I always tell this to everyone that this is, One-to-One is the only place in the world where investor comes to you and you don't have to go to the investors, right? If you do the roadshow, whether it's London, Canada, New York, which I did in last 3 months, I have to go to shop to go and talk to the investors. Here, sitting in one space, enjoying your coffee and talking to the investors, you feel like too proud. And it's brilliant, the way they do, the way they organize, and the way they coordinate. It's been so good. And I'm going to do this forever. So we love this.
Fantastic. Well, appreciate your time. Thanks, Dev, and best luck with both.
Thank you very much. Thank you.